Okay, so I'm here with Anthony's 500i. It's running a 28-inch light bar. He brought it to me because it has been shutting off on him randomly, and this is what it's doing. Let's check it out. Prime it a few times. No decompression valve, meaning I'm not going to use the decompression valve. Let's see what it does. Okay, so this is more than what it's been doing, because this morning when he brought it by, it was not starting. So something's going on with it. I don't know what it is, but we're gonna see what's going on. Laters.